As long as you love me. As long as you love me. As long as you love me. We're under pressure.
Here, I never saw you in a long time. I will be doing unboxing, and let's get started. Opening this. Oh, accidentally ripped it off a little bit. Awesome! I will be showing you the shirt first, because that's the coolest part. I got this awesome shirt. I am hanging this up in my bedroom. It's like a Mario Power Ranger. It's really awesome. It says, let me see, Super Rangers. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, we're gonna put this on the side. And we have a Robin bobblehead. A Robin bobblehead. I don't think this is a bobble. I mean, the push toys where you turn it and then it walks. We have some glasses. We have some nice cool glasses. Batman reflects on you. That's awesome. Okay. Then we have a little Raphael, not Raphael. We have a Ninja Turtle thing, and we have 1-Up box for the month, July 2015. Yeah, and we have some more stuff. We have like some stickers. Awesome, right? And one more thing is we have a little poster I can hang up or something, or I could cut more. And the shirt is like really awesome. Like, I'm not playing. This shirt is like so awesome. I love it. And yeah, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah. Thanks for watching.